Welcome to GTechandGrow. In this lab, we are going to add role services for DFS and create namespace. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I will assume you've read all the above statements, so we can go straight to the point. In this lab, your task is to add the DFS namespace role services, and the next is add the DFS replication role services. So just to be sure, we are performing this task on corp DC2 server. So we click on our corp server and we double click on corp DC2. Now we are on the right server. The next thing we have to do now is to add roles and features. Click on add roles and features. We go next. Yes, it's a role based or feature based installation. Next. Yes, we are on the right server. Next. So what we are supposed to add should be found. It's a role, so it should be found in file storage services. Let's expand this and let's expand the file and ISC SI services. We expand that also. We have DFS namespaces. Click on that, add feature, DFS replication, and next. And next. You may have to restart if at all it's needed, but for this lab it's not required. And install. It's advisable you do automatic restart if it's required for such features. And you can close this for now. And we've added the DFS namespace and DFS replication already. The next thing we'll have to do now is to create namespace using the following parameters. Use the corp DC2 server. That's the server we are on now. So to do that, we have to go to Tools, DFS Management. When you click on namespaces, you realize there are no namespaces here. You can either just come here and click on New Namespace, or still you can right click on namespaces and go to New Namespace, which I just selected. Then the next thing we have to do now is the server. Guess we have been given the server corp DC2. So let's browse and put your corp DC2. Check names. Okay. Let's go to next. Name for the namespace. Let's get the name for the namespace is shared files. I'll just copy that and paste shared files. Next. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, or if you've not done so, it's free. Thank you, guys. Use the domain-based namespace. Configure the namespace to use access-based enumeration. And so that's the domain-based namespace. It's only possible when we enable Windows Server 2008 mode. So you have to enable this, and we have the domain-based namespace selected up there already. We go to next and create, and the namespace has been created. The next thing we have to do here now is create folders with targets as follows. Create folders with targets as follows. So in the namespace we just created, we have to create folders in it. Right click on the namespace and go to new folder. New folder. The name of the folder, the name of this one will be accounting. And the target, let's add target. I would advise you just copy this and paste to avoid errors. You could as well, okay, the browse feature for this one is not enabled. So once you copy and paste, that's it, and you can click OK. You go again for the next one. New folder. This one will be marketing. Add target, copy and paste. Okay, right click, new folder, sales, add, copy and paste. Okay, and okay. And I think that's all we have to do for this lab. Let's check and see if our answers are correct. And that is it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video.